Hello everyone, this is Dushyant Singh and you are listening to me. So we have discussed nothing. So let's start with JavaScript operator. So basically these are the mathematical sum for GS. So here we see plus minus. Let's go. JavaScript operators. So basically what is operator? Operators are nothing but a symbol that we use to use in daily life that perform operation on a value means plus, minus, multiply, division. So in my very simple term, 5 plus 3 is basically 5 plus 3. So plus is a operator, and 5 and 3 and operands. Operands are those on which we work, and the plus here is the operator. So first we see the arithmetic operators. There are different types of arithmetic operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here we have some these type of kind. So let's see the example. So here we have let a equal to 10, b equal to 5 and console log a basic JS syntax. So we are assigning the value 10 to a and 5 to a b. So we can see that the let's do. Oh, we have already did. So let's run this. So what happened here is we have assigned the value a to a 10 and 5 to b. So the response is 15, very basic simple. So here we go for subtraction, same as logic a minus b, 10 minus 5, 5. And we have multiplication a into b. So it is 50, division. So division a divided by b, 2, simple. So we have interesting operator which is modulus operator. Modulus operators do it return the remainder. So 10 divided by 3, 3 3 are 9, what is remain? 1. So 1 is the answer here. 10 is divided by 3, leave remainder 1. It is very useful for checking the even odd number. It is widely used for that. So whenever we write program to find out whether it is even or odd, so we use this modulus operator. So we do also have example less number 4. There are many way to do this, but here we have very basic. Since this is the first class, we are doing very simple. And now comparison operator. So when you want to compare two value, which is greater than, which is equal than, it is used for strict equal, loose comparison. So 1 equal to is used to assigning the value and 2 is used for comparing. So comparing in the sense when we compare two values, it can be strictly or loosely. For example, if we took string 5 to equal to 5 in a loose comparison, it will return true. While in the strict means 3 equal, it will return false. So here we have first lose equality. So comparison value, but ignore types. मतलब this type. Here we see the 5 is a string, and here this 5 is number. So it will return true. Let's see if we can see. I think we need to assign that. Yes, it's true, as we have discussed about that. And this is strictly equal. Mean the 5 should be equal to 5. Data type should be same. This is string and this is number. It will return false. Let's see this too. Why this is taking so much long time? But you got the idea now. False. Okay. So not equal to. Remember the not equal to sign is an exclamatory sign. Make sure you use one equal to sign, not many. Things do not go as we planned. Let's try here. So let's see. 10 is not equal to 5. True. 5 is not equal to 5. False. Okay, we got the basic idea. So we have greater than and less than. So basic, it is pretty basic. Logical operator, and. So basically this is used to given multiple value. When all the value that we assign must be true, then it will be executed. And we know this exclamatory sign used for not. Logical and we are just discussing if any one of these We are given here the condition if, and there is a program. So we have given age 20 and has ID true. So we have first condition above than 18 and has ID. It means it both should be true. Is above than 18? Yes, we have 20 and has ID true. That's why it will return true. Let's do this. You can enter. It means we have got the permission to result. If either condition is false, result is false, as we have discussed. The truth table for A and B, A and B. If both are true, then it will be true. If even one is false, the return will be value be false. If yeah, we discussed this. And logical or if any one of the value given inside the if, then the access granted condition is satisfied. So return what is inside the console and what is inside the function. So let's try for this. So we have made this access granted. So we can see the is editor is true. So it's mean one condition is already fulfilled. So we can granted the access. And the truth table for the or. So either one is true, 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 true. Yeah, you can see that. And logical not. It basically used to just opposite. It flips the true value to false and false to true. And we have assign operator. So equal to is equal to is used to assign value, and plus equal to first we add then assign the value. Same for minus equal to subtract and then assign. Basic assignment we do have let score 10. Basically a score is like let's say a container type. A container but store the value of 10. Add and assign. Here we see first we have add, then we add plus 5 in it. It is a shortcut form for that. So let's try for this. Control expected answer would be 15. So yeah, we got the idea. Same as go for subtraction. I hope you don't need to see that. Okay, we have did too much. It is a pretty simple. So we have the small combine exercise. If you wish, you can do that. So I think we reached to the summary of this. So arithmetic operation, plus minus, multiplication, modulus, division, and in comparison we do have equal to, strict, equal to, logical not, greater than, less than. On logical we do have, and assignment equal to, plus equal, minus equal. Damn, what is this? Okay, so I think we have did too much for this. I hope. Let's see. Meet you next video. Bye.